Glasgow. So yeah, I'm here with Zero Motorcycles and we're going to be riding the DSR X, which I rode last year in Belgium, and I'm excited to ride again for the next couple of days. I think we're going to lock them on first. Let's check. Have you claimed your bike?
Sorry?
Have you claimed your bike?
I'm the top box fan because I'm feeling like I want to deliver pizza later.
Okay. Am I on the other DSR, Paul, or is that... Okay. Okay, so we're off. We're going to put it in reverse mode, which is weird. Just to get out of this little car parking space. Okay. And then how do I get it off reverse mode? Can I switch? No. Am I going forward? Ah, there we go. Turn it on and off again. I should have tried that the first time. It's funny, we don't even need our cardos, do we? So quiet.
So on the bikes we have myself and Lucia on the DSR X and Tom and Miko on the SRFs. On day one of this working bike trip we'll be riding from Glasgow up into the Cairngorms, getting video content with Too Fast Media Group for Zero Motorcycles. And on the trip as well is Miko and Paul, who are organising the trip from Potski Media, and Tom, who is a motorbike photographer. I will be riding the DSR X for 2 days in Scotland. This is part one of our journey.
you doing?
Hey, you're right.
Hi, I'm Max.
Nice to meet you. You okay?
Nice to meet you.
You're right.
See you this year. Yeah, just go up there and we'll
Yeah.
look forward to doing.
Sweet. Little photo stop. Just met up with the guys from Too Fast Media Group. So we're going to start getting proper content now. We're actually shooting a video for Zero Motorcycles, and I think they're just filming a video to highlight adventure riding on electric bikes. So we're doing pretty well so far. We're on the DSR X and we've been riding for a couple of hours and we've still got 70% charge, which is pretty impressive to be fair. Pre-arranged generally where we're going to get to and where all the points are, and fingers crossed we'll do okay. So yes, enjoying these roads so far. It's actually very difficult when the roads are this pretty to really concentrate and not just ride straight into the back of Lucia, but I'm doing my best.
So next we had to ride back up the same hill we'd just come up a few times to get some shots for the Too Fast Media guys. It was a lovely bit of road, so I didn't mind one bit getting to do it again.
Almost taken out there.
She's actually shaking her head at you, that it was your fault.
How?
Like,
How?
she's there and pulling out.
Literally how?
So I think what we'll do, I think you guys are going to track behind here for a couple of miles, yeah?
Right.
So what I'll do is I'll probably take Tom to get the bike charged. Luca's going to get bike charged.
Yeah.
And then we did some tracker shots, which is, if you don't know, when you ride really close to a van or truck of some kind, and there'll be a photographer generally hanging off the back, taking photos and pointing, telling you whether he wants you to go close or drop back for solo shots. Unfortunately, our bags were late getting to Glasgow, so we set off in a rush, and I didn't realise my camera wasn't recording 360. So I can't show you the view of being behind the van. But this is what learning to create video content has been for me. Just a series of mistakes I'm continually trying to learn from, so thank you for sticking with me.
Hotel. It's actually really beautiful here, and I'm not really showing you any of it right now because I'm just huddling under here because it's really raining. So yeah, we ordered some cheeseburgers and we're just gonna kind of hope that it's gonna just dump it down with rain now, and hopefully by the time we're back on the bikes, fingers crossed, it might be dry. It's busy, so I think we're gonna be huddled here. And there it is in all its glory, now that the sun has come back out. So, perfect timing. We finished our food, the sun's come out a little bit, and yeah, we're going to be off on our merry way.
I'm not here.
standing?
For this one, yeah, quick one, standing for this one.
Hold on.
Yeah.
I probably missed
just
it,
the
mate,
bikes.
sorry. Anyone that knows me knows I love ducks. Look at them. Look at them! Oh, hello little ducks. Oh my god. Oh my, look at you! Ducks are my favourite animal.
There you go.
The sight of someone who's seen some ducks. And is right, there's no ducks around by my...
Chickens. For some reason. My son's obsessed with chickens.
With chickens!
He won't eat chicken.
I kind of get it, chickens are pretty cool.
Yeah.
But ducks have my heart. It's just their happy, simple faces. Hey.
You alright?
Good, this is pretty.
Well, we found a little spot to take some really nice shots overlooking the lock. State car is.
Alright. Photo shoot time. Too Fast Media and Lucia. And this epic view. What was the pose? Yo. Just casual.
Casual.
Another quick stop. We've done some brand photos and more or less we're just going to keep moving on because it's just chucking it down, and I think we're struggling to get some of the content we were trying to get today, so time to move back on. And I'm not sure how much we've got left of the day now, we'll see, but I've enjoyed it. It's been some lovely riding, and yeah, I don't know, we're gonna just keep going and then hope that maybe the rain stops later, because the Too Fast Media guys obviously can't really get the shots they need when it's chucking it down with rain, and at the minute it doesn't seem to be stopping, so yeah, we're just going to keep riding and see where the road takes us.
The bridge. Oh my God.
I know, lovely.
Shame it was
Although it was like, you look to the right, you see the beautiful sun on the mountain, to the left it was like dark, grey. I was like, which way are we going to go? Ah, towards the dark and the grey.
I was glad I don't have my camera. Just because it was pissing down, the camera didn't catch nothing, you would just do everything blurry. But oh, it was like, why?
Yeah, I know. So we're taking a stop. We've gone today we started in Glasgow, then we've gone from Glasgow to Loch Lomond, we've gone past Glencoe, and now we're in Fort William, that's it. I had a bit of a mind block there. Yes, so now we have stopped to charge the bikes. I mean, to be fair, mine, as you can see, is actually on 50%, and we have just pulled up, so that's not too bad at all. Yeah, I just want to come back. I want to be here for longer. Maybe do it on my own bike. But yeah, to be fair though, I will say that the bike has been brilliant. I really like this bike anyway. And it's funny being electric. It takes you a minute to kind of get used to it. At first you're kind of like, where's the clutch? Just feel like your left half of your body is doing nothing. So yeah, it's an odd feeling riding an electric bike, just because it's a bit like when you drive an automatic car. It just feels a bit funny. It's so easy that it's almost weird. And it's also funny, but nice, being able to speak to each other, hear what each other's saying. I can hear my music on my Cardo really clearly. And yeah, just great to do it on an adventure bike, because we've not really done anything off-road, but just dipping off on gravelly roads and things like that. It's just nice to do it on a bike that you feel confident on. So yeah, enjoying the bike, thoroughly enjoying Scotland, and lovely company as well. It doesn't fit? That's magic! Does that fit? Yes! It's about 5:30 now. We're doing the last leg of the day. I think we've got about an hour and a half ride up into the Cairngorms, which is where we are staying for the night. We've been here about 40 minutes. The bike's now charged up to just over 90%. So I've got plenty of juice left for the rest of the way.
So a little bit about the bike. I rode the DSR X in 2022 in Belgium, and we did a day off-road and green laning with it. We also went to a private stretch of road where we gave it full throttle and really tested it out on the tarmac. And I absolutely loved it, so I was really excited to get to ride this bike in Scotland. So starting with the obvious, it's an electric motorcycle, so I know what you'll be thinking, but I can speak honestly when I say this bike has won me over so much, and it really does make me forget how much I miss having an engine. For starters, it's a super torquey bike. I think it was the torquiest bike on the market last year actually, with 225 Newton meters of it. And even though it has a top speed of about 111 miles per hour, it's incredibly quick off the line. It has so much convenience for the rider. It's not just your heated grips and your windshield, but it's got a huge lockable box to store your stuff, as well as USB plugs to charge your phone, all where you'd normally have your fuel tank. It's quiet, it's easy to ride, it's comfortable. It has 5 riding modes, each with an off-road option. It's super tech heavy, and it was just a perfect bike to take around Scotland. Although, as we rode further up towards the Cairngorms, the options for charging were starting to get a little thin, and we found ourselves riding rather delicately, trying to make sure that we actually made it to our hotel.
I can't go back in time, 'cause I'll see you, see you, see you. I can't just say goodbye, 'cause I'll see you, see you, see you, see you.
The bar's closed, which is great news. The restaurant's closed, which is
How's on, Migo?
no,
It's good.
Oh, good.
You made it.
We are the champions. Oh,
Damn,
come
you
on.
can do anything.
Come on. Yeah, thinking you were like 20 minutes ahead of me.
Oh, that is really the bed making that noise. We've made it to our hotel. We are all absolutely freezing. I think just because, I mean, it's 7 degrees outside, but I think just because we've all been wet for a long time. And yeah, we've just got here. It's now 8 o'clock at night. And would you believe it? Apparently the whole staff of this hotel have got COVID. So the kitchen is shut, the bar is shut. We've literally been riding, freezing our asses off. Well, I personally have been dreaming about a warm bath and then getting a nice cold Corona and some nice hot meal. But doesn't look like it's going to happen just yet. So maybe I'm going to just start with the warm bath, and I think then we're going to work out how we're going to get some food. But yeah, it's been a lovely day's riding. I've enjoyed the bikes. contrary to what a lot of people believe, we actually have made it here. It was a bit interesting at the end there because Tom had 7 miles left on the range of his bike and we had 8 miles left to get to the hotel. So we did a little switch. Lucia jumped on his just because she's a bit lighter. And it worked. We got here.
There was only one place open in town.
So what's for dinner?
For dinner?
Yeah, go on,
Kebabs.
hit us.
Kebabs.
Tenants, an iron brew, and a kebab for dinner. We are a classy bunch, you guys. Cheers, everybody. Cheers. Cheers, cheers, cheers.
It's not a liqueur.